Home Haircut Kit. The ConairMAN Cord, Cordless Rechargeable 20-piece haircut kit with Lithium Ion Technology provides over 1 hour sustained power performance for reliable cord-free haircutting. Everything but the barber. This kit includes 10 comb attachments to guide the clipper as you cut and style for multiple lengths, plus barber scissors, comb, cape, clips, cleaning brush and oil, and a stylish storage case. Respect the ritual. Don't crack under the pressure to look good. ConairMAN has beard trimmers, home barbering kits, electric shavers and more for precision cuts and trims so you can get your look right. Innovative grooming tools. From hair and beard clippers to trimmers, shavers, epilators and home haircut kits, Conair makes high-quality grooming tools for men and women. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers and ear, nose trimmers, ladies' shavers and oral care. Conair makes personal care tools for your daily routine. Top reviews from the United States. Cordless. Love that this one is cordless, which makes it very easy for cutting hair. It charges quickly and the battery life on it is solid. Haven't had an issue with it running out of battery while in the middle of a cut. Comes with accessories like scissors and a comb. Note that the drape is actually just plastic, like a garbage bag, and not cloth, which I had mistakenly assumed. Love that I can keep everything together in the soft case.